Box TV, Box TV, Box TV. Big up on yourself and I don't know already. Sean Stewart and Ted Talk, aka War Professor, all these things. We there to give my rundown and my opinion upon the war we're going right now. So, Jahmeil and Labas are war. And before me even stand up, I say this. A lot of time, Labas and Alkaline and them on the war. When Jahmeil jump in the war, the man them even pay him no mind, you know? The man them just done the war and just like, no knowing for you. No, it's Chronic Law job song. Jahmeil run go this it. And now Chronic Law chop him back. Him gonna make song now again. In my honest opinion right now, Jahmeil lose the war. I feel like because Chronic response was so quick, which we all know Chronic Law is known for reply very, very quick. Jahmeil not put him song together the right way. You know, many people say, oh, Chronic Law always just laid back and that a fit a man their style. You never hear that man, oh, rowdy and all them things, none of them sang them. Yes, Chronic Law is getting very repetitive with the music. However, in the war, the man a lead. The man a chop. Some lyrics there where I kick over Jahmeil. You understand? And me don't anticipate that response from Jahmeil for bad, for tie up the war or take a or try catch up or something to make it interesting. But in my opinion again, that song about Jahmeil drop is a no-no. And the reason why I talk about it is because when me see the album cover, I was saying, yes, see warrior now. Because you don't put up a cover like that and you have the teacher and I, like say you got diss him up wicked too. You understand? Even though him diss the man, say man in himself a jerk off or however I want to put it. But that's it. You know what I mean? Like, we expect you to go real hard upon the song. You understand? And that wasn't there for me. So in my opinion, a man used the art cover to hype up the song. And a man also use Vybz Kartel's picture to hype up the song for people to say, yeah. You know what I mean? Right now it seems like it's a hardcover war. If him did in our hardcover war, that would have win. But the song, when counteract, no, dog. Me love the war thing. Me love the war thing. Me love when artists clash and war and counteract each other. But that song they weak. Sorry. That song they weak. I would even say the song when I'm dropped before that even better. That song they weak, dog, you can't counteract. You have to understand now, when Chronic Law a counteract, you know, him a counteract everything that's been said about him. You understand? And then him a counteract and then him attack, which make it even better. And the man a use some crazy lyrics. You understand? Me no know star. The man them no me see a documents pan a certain man IG and them a say rape documents, Chronic Law rape documents, but then them blurt out the name them and all these things. What that for? First of all, if you go expose a man, you expose a man. Won't white out the name for? That a hype again, them a hype up documents, and then if Jahmeil share these documents, it just means say you know say that song the way you drop now bad. Because if you know say that song the way you drop bad, you wouldn't even have to go that route there yet. You understand? You just have to wait till Chronic Law deny the fact say him is not You never get charged for rape and them thing there. And then them file there for sure people say, yo, wanna fuck with your chat, actual facts. You drop them file there, you understand? But the fact say you go drop song, and then after a while you now circulate that little document thing here. That just means say you know say the people them say, well, that song they wake. You understand? That's what me I get from that. You understand? And on the can war and all these memes, dog. Gonna water down the war. Left that to the fans them. I don't like when the artists themselves do them thing there. You know what I mean? Make the fans them do them thing there. When the artists them start do memes and do document sharing, uno self a water down the war. Just say one thing about you state some things in your songs there, the man run left the Chronic, the Javelani. In a Javelani and Chronic war, Chronic Law was the last man to make a song and Javelani top. Javelani they get killed anyway. I mean, Javelani never does sing nothing about the man. Only thing the man has sing about is the man belly. And here you come now and sing about fat this and fat belly. Dogs, you can't murder Chronic Law and a dog. You just have to put on the thing together, dog. And stop rush it. Because obviously this man yeah, what? When you stop the document and the meme war, and we could go in some real lyrics. Stop water down dancehall with this fuck with that. Real lyrics. Right now, Chronic Law lead. Me don't know by how much, but I will say the man a lead. So, and then the man have to go reply now. Make it even worse. Box TV. What professor? You agree with me or you don't agree with me? Phone business. But Chronic Law I win. That's the thing there. Milk.